Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this episode we will replace the glow plug that is defective on this JP Combi diesel heater. So first tip, when you buy the heater, buy also a spare glow plug because these are consumable, and we were lucky enough that our glow plug resisted for 2 years in conditions of full-time van life and 2 winters in UK. So first thing that I have to do was to order a replacement glow plug. But if you order it when you buy the heater, you put it somewhere safe, and when you need it, you will have it. You will not lose time waiting for the glow plug to arrive, and also you will save some money because transport from China is more expensive than the actual glow plug. But I was lucky enough to find it in UK from a reseller, JP Heater reseller, and it arrived in just 2 days. So thank you, Ian, for helping me. So let's start. As I said, the troubleshooting manual for this error, A63H, gives you 4 steps to follow and check. And one of them is to check the resistance of the glow plug. The resistance should be near zero. The first step we need to take in order to check the resistance of the glow plug is to remove these 2 screws and get this cover off. Just place these containers so I can store the screws and bits and bobs and not lose them. Okay, and the cover just tilts like this, and it has 2 clips on the bottom, and you just lift it and pull it to the side. Now we have access to the glow plug connections, so we have to undo these 2 screws and slide the connectors down. So I will leave the screws there to not lose them. Okay. Now we have access to the glow plug connection, and we take our multimeter and set it to ohm, this symbol here, so we can check the resistance. We are going to check if the multimeter is accurate. So when you touch these 2 poles together, it should read 000, which is correct. And now we should measure the resistance, and it says 247 ohm, and the resistance should be near zero. So it's clearly a faulty glow plug. For comparison, I'm just going to read this new one and see what values do we get from this one. So I will connect the poles, and the reading is 000.1, 0102. So let's put this aside for a moment, and we are going to disassemble the heater in order to get access to the glow plug. On the manufacturer's side, there is a 4-part video on how to replace this glow plug, but you have to undo most of the heater, so I will try an easier way just to see if it's possible. So I'm going to try to undo only this part because the glow plug is located in here, and see if I can manage to pull the wires through. If not, I will have to take the motherboard out and this bit out and the cover, and it's a long process, but I will try my version first. So let's start. Need to use number 3 Allen key and undo 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, after 2 years of use, we have a lot of dust gathered in here. I will clean that up in a second. So this will do for now. So in order to continue the process, we have to unbolt these bolts to get the cover up. Now you need to get this out of the way and unbolt these nuts. It's a 7. There's the small nut and the washer, so be careful not to lose it. So we'll have to undo this 12-volt connection, and it's a 12mm spanner. So unclip the cable. Have a cable tie that is tying up the cable here. So we managed to get this thing out. There's another washer in these 4 rubber thingies, so just make sure you don't lose them. And a lot of dust again. So basically, now we have access to the glow plug, which is over here. We have a seal here that seems to be broken. I'm not sure how this affects the working of the heater. I need a 12mm spanner to undo the glow plug. And that's it. You just have to wiggle the wires really good, and you can see it's broken there. So let's start fitting the new glow plug. Remove the cap and replacing the glow plug. Bear in mind there is a rubber seal over here, and you have to take it from the old glow plug and place it on the new glow plug. So I'm installing the glow plug in place and tighten it with a 12mm spanner. Now we are starting the reassembly process. So first I put through these rubber channels, as this has to be sealed tight. And the seal is back on. Everything is connected in place, so we're just going to put the cover. It has two lips here and here that need to go under this bracket, so just be careful not to break it. Okay. And the final two screws. So here is the heater all put back together. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode when we are going to mount it back into the van. Cheers!